right. Also, guys, I guess let's just give a little time to those that will still join the live session, just to be sure you guys can hear me. If you can hear me, just put it in the chat box that you can hear me, so I'll be sure everybody's hearing me. So I'll be sure you guys can hear me. If you can hear me, just put it in the chat box, please. I'm gonna be showing. So. All right. So, cool. Let's just give little time, so we'll see if more people can actually join. Then we'll actually get right into it. So, if it's possible for you guys to share out the, if it's possible to share out the live, you guys can actually. So we'll have more people. Hmm. Uh, uh, okay. I guess I'll just have to start like that because, for the sake of time, I'll just have to start like that. So, those that will actually be missing this live session, they'll probably have to go back and watch this. Hi, hi. Can I connect? Yeah, can I connect with you later on? Yeah, yeah. So, okay, for the sake of those that will actually be joining late and probably want to go back to this video, probably they'll have to use the link to just go back to this video and watch it. So, before we start, if you have any pair you want me to analyze for you, can you guys hear me? If you can hear me, please just put it in the chat box so I'll be sure everybody's hearing me and I'm not just talking without you guys hearing me. I keep seeing people join and leave. I just keep seeing people join and leave. So, mm, so just probably to to just keep joining. Where is my stuff? Mhm. Okay. All right. So if you have any pair you want me to analyze for you, just help me put it in the chat box. So I guess we'll just have to kickstart like that for the sake of time. All right. So I'll start by saying welcome to today's this week's live session and weekly forecast where I'll be forecasting. Yeah, most likely. Yeah, probably. And normally I like to hold this live session this time because I have people outside of Nigeria and I have people in Nigeria also in Africa that actually likes to join. And but then for the sake of time, like I said, I have to just start like that. They'll probably catch up later on and watch the video. So for those of you here, if you have any topic, I mean, sorry, any pair you want me to analyze, just put it in the chat box and I'll get right into it. So this week, pretty much, uh, this week looks like a prominent week. Even if we just start, we actually looking out for gold. Today is bank holiday, so the markets might be a little bit sluggish. So you guys should not mind I'm looking here instead of here. I'm actually using two screens, so that's why I'm using this screen here to mirror whatever I'm doing, my charts. So today we have bank holiday. This is on GBP, right? So bank holiday, we have bank holiday today, and that's why you can see that the market has just been moving sluggishly. Now around 3 o'clock, we have high impact news on USD pair. Now this doesn't look like a major news, right? All right, you can hear me. Okay, cool, cool. This doesn't look like a major news, so I won't really. There's nothing to get scared of. But starting from tomorrow, I guess this week should be. Uh, we have a couple of news this week. Okay, it's not really any news that is supposed to shake the markets like crazily. So meaning this week is actually going to be cool. So back to the weekly forecast on GBP USD. In all honesty, I'm expecting to still see a bullish leg. So most likely, I want to see price fill up this imbalance that we left on Friday. So most likely, we'll just keep seeing the markets doing all these things, right? Till we fill up, then we continue going to the upside, right? That's for GBP USD. And same thing if we are seeing a bullish leg on GBP USD, meaning Euro USD would also be printing out same pattern. Euro USD will also be printing out same pattern. So on Euro USD, we can see that actually price is already still giving us short-term bearish leg and long-term bullish, right? So we might see price do this, just keep doing this thing till it goes back up. But I want to see this imbalance around here that the market left get filled up before we continue buying. So I'm expecting us to be bearish on these pairs. Now, gold. On gold, now let's look at gold because I was bullish. I've been bullish on gold, and I'm still bullish on gold, but I just want to catch a short-term sell. So let's look at gold. So for this guy, I want to see us still sweep out this imbalance here, right? Sweep out, sweep out, sweep out, and come. Now, this morning I sent out a buy trade. Then I saw how market was actually playing around this point, and I said, okay, let us just decide to sell because I felt like we were going to sell as soon as price just gave us this fake out. Now this is just the sell side liquidity that was swept, which I was not on my system. I was using my mobile phone, so I didn't see the chart clearly, but it's still fine. This was just the sell side liquidity that was taken out here. Now, but this sell side liquidity is not the kind of sell side liquidity I like to see. This is not the pattern or how I like to see sell side liquidity being taken out. So I am still waiting for price to either come back down here. Yes, I'm still waiting, but I'm not rushing it. I don't force trades. I don't chase the market. I allow the market to come to me. That is what is called the edge strategy. When the market comes to, or when price comes to the edge, there's no other point for it to move, and we hold it down there and we ride it all through. Or they're saying like a strip of honor. So we'll have to ride it up. But for now, I'm still chilling. Okay? Fine. But in my own opinion, I still want to see price actually just do this, come back down here, to be very sincere. But for the fact that that was why I said yeah, that was why I said let us just uh let us just enter this trade with the smallest risk or the lowest risk we want to take. So if you normally risk 1% before, you can just decide to risk 0.5%, that half, or 0 point whatever. So we don't get taken out beforehand to actually stay longer in this market, big lot size, and go hard or go home, because eventually if you don't take time, you go home and there will not you won't see anybody at home. So for me, I'm still waiting to see this price. You can see how price actually is playing around our SL. It's just doing boo boo la boo boo. So uh I'm tempted to still buy this guy, but no, it's going to be breaking my pattern of trading, because yes, I have seen that we are bullish. I have seen that we are bullish on this guy. So for me, I really want to see price. I'm comfortable taking this trade at this point here. I am comfortable taking this trade at this point here. So I'm still waiting for price to just do its thing. Today is Monday, so no rush. So it's even possible that this area like this price might just keep building liquidity. We might just keep seeing all these things like this to build up liquidity around here. Then eventually, maybe Tuesday, Wednesday, we might see this. Then boom, I won't be surprised to see us keep consolidating around here. And when I see this consolidation, it simply just shows me that or tells me that this price or the market is just trying to build up liquidity, right? So that's that for gold. That's that for gold. I moving on to I guess no, I already sent out Euro USD. Moving on to, let's see, JPY. Please, if you have any pair you want me to analyze for you, just put it in the chat box, please. If you have any pair you want me to analyze for you, just put it in the chat box. So I guess this was one trade we missed. It took us out, obviously, as you can see. So yeah, I'm not one of those guys that will want to manipulate results. This is it. The market whooped me and it actually took me out. So now we've seen this, I would like to take out this guy. So or let me leave it. Let me leave it. So those people that think Echo cannot hit stop loss, they would see it me out of the market. Like they'd be like, it's not possible. I mean, I know, yeah, I might be consistent and my analysis might be a banger, but I mean, there are times when this market just tries to show you uh you're not a god over it, right? You might have a certain level of knowledge and understanding over the market, but doesn't mean you're a god over it, right? So moving on. So for GBP JPY, let's see what the market is saying. Let's see what price is saying. Oh, all right. So we still look bullish, although there's a lot of liquidity resting around this area, this area, this area. But currently we are trading in a fair value gap. So most likely we might just keep seeing the market consolidate. And reason for it consolidating would be one next week, I guess. Am I sure? Let me just be sure. Next week we have NFP, right? So we have NFP next. Let me just be sure. So next week we have NFP. Oh, okay, this is not it. See more results. So next week we have NFP, right? And so the market will have to just keep doing this thing to build up liquidity so that it's going to whoop a lot of people, right? So we won't rush this market. We'll keep calm, and when we get proper opportunity, or when we get a better opportunity, we'll take advantage of it. That's for this pair. For now, I just want to see price just keep building up liquidity around this area on GBP JPY. Around this area, we'll just keep seeing price build up liquidity. Overall, among all these pairs I've been analyzing, I'm still interested in this gold, right? I'm still interested in seeing gold. Overall, I'm still interested in gold. But let's just keep seeing how the market or what the market has for us. Still be chilled. And if we get an opportunity to trade, let's see. I don't want to force it, but if we get an opportunity to trade this market, trust me, we'll jump right into it and we'll make the best out of it. Oh, sorry. We'll make the best out of it. So let's see. The chilling, there will be an opportunity. Okay. So for gold, most likely, if I'm to take this trade, I'm not taking it yet, but if I'm to take this trade, I'll probably have to take this trade around here. 7 and 10. Risking about, let's say, 50 pips. 617661 and 75. I'll probably, most likely, I'll take this trade around here, but I'm not taking it. But if I'm to take this trade, short term, I'll just want to take it here. But like I said before, I'm waiting to see this market build up more liquidity around here. So we might just keep seeing the market consolidate, buy, sell, come back to our sell, our stop loss, buy again like that. We might just keep seeing price play around this area. But overall, anywhere around here, I'm comfortable taking this trade. So without even stressing, because there's no opportunity to take in this market, and I believe there's no question from your own end. So I want to end this live session right now. If you have any question, feel free to use the Telegram link to join our Telegram link, and also feel free to send me a DM, and also drop your comments here. I'll be reading it and I'll answer all your questions. As you already know, guys, is active.